Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to the show. How are you all this evening? Lovely to have you wherever you are around the world. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on YouTube, that's of course the home, or you're listening in on the podcast. Welcome to everyone. And yes, Baby Yoda, you are the first here over there on YouTube. Great stuff. Let's get straight now into the charts and let's see exactly what's going on. What a day here on the stock market. Wow. All sorts of issues. What have you done? What have you done about this today? If you're just joining me for the very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. If you're listening to me on the podcast, look below in the description and you will find the YouTube link and you can come and join us here on the show. And if you do, come in and tell us in the live chat that you heard us on the podcast, and we might have a little gift for you. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get straight into our position. We've got some questions here coming up. We've got, hello, I was the first here. That's Baby Yodo. Day of repositioning. How could you reposition on a day like this? You have to have cash on hand. It's just for me, it's a day of just like, okay, let it go. You know, you can sell, lose a lot of money, or just stick calm and go, look, I've got good investments. I'm just going to sit and wait and let it all crash down to come back up again. It's fine. It's one of those days today. I am perfectly happy with it. Let's go over to the trading screen. Here we are. Hello, I am Michael Williams. How are you? I hope you're feeling better today. Michael was having, I didn't go to hospital or something, or the doctors or something, Michael. Can you show Bitcoin? Of course I can. Let's bring in Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is up 2.17% today. 2.17% today. That's pretty good. Ethereum as well is looking pretty good, up 6% today. They've had good days. But the big one, of course, we were talking about Shiba Inu this morning. That hasn't had a particularly great day. Yes, it is up, of course. But considering that this was supposed to be a takeoff day, something really, really special, with the Kraken deal going on, it's only up 14%. It was 30% up. It's dropped back 15%. So there you go. Let me share that with you. You can see that there, over there on the COINBASE app. There it is. That's the position for Shiba Inu. As you know, it's not something I invest in. I do have an investment in it, but I don't regard it as an investment. I regard it as a bit of fun for the show, for the purpose of entertainment, just to have it in the portfolio for a bit of fun, whatever. So that's what that's all about. All right, let's go straight back over to it. I hope that helped you, Baby Yodo, for the Bitcoin position. Yep, I still believe that Bitcoin's going to rise to 100,000. I think it can by the end of this year. I really feel that a big push will come. Now, if it doesn't, the people that we've been really listening to, the Michael Saylors, all these people that really believe and know and so on and so forth, if that doesn't happen, if we don't get this push to 100,000, of course, nothing's guaranteed, that really will discredit their opinion. I have to be honest, because they're absolutely convinced of it, and they've convinced me with the information and the knowledge that I've studied. And if that doesn't come to pass, then it'll have to reassess the whole thing, and so on. But right now, that's my belief. That's where I am with it. So we're all good. All right, let me go now down through the portfolio and let's have a look. We are today, as you can see, we are down nearly 1.5% today. In the last hour, we started to recover and we've dropped back off again, but nevertheless, it is what it is. Let's have a look. Let me refresh this screen a minute, because over here I'm showing. Now there we go. I was looking at that thinking I'm showing two different screens here. There we go. It's all good. Right. PayPal down massively over the last few weeks. Slight rebound today, but dropping back again, as you can see. Not a great deal going on there. We talked about it this morning, and the majority was no, it's not a good time to buy in. and others didn't know. So only 20% said it was a good time to buy. I don't know. It's literally, it's like going back. It's like going back years. If you look at it, look at the graph there. It's like going back years, at least to March, at least a year, March 20, May 20, nearly a year and a half. But what do you think about that? That's like a complete reset on the stock. Anyway, I'm not in it. I've got one share, that's it. Tesla rebounded a bit. We were up, then we were down, but now we're sitting flat again. Rivian today, it keeps trying to break the 120 and hold. It doesn't quite get up there yet because, at the end of the day, this is still overpriced. The cars aren't out yet. We're starting to see a few. Nothing really great to talk about. When we get some great Rivian news, then I think that this will start to move. But for now, it's a bit like Virgin Galactic, not doing very much. Let's discuss Virgin Galactic today. This is a stock that I used to own. Well, I still own. It's my biggest stock. I've lost a lot of money on this one, down $3,000 on this one right now. But at the end of the day, I'm just waiting for it to return. I was up at 65.70 at one point, and I didn't sell. I just rose up and didn't sell. I wish I had done. What cars is Rivian bringing out? They're bringing out a truck, but more in America. But more importantly than that, what they're doing is they're bringing out the vans. 100,000 have been ordered for the first order. There's more orders coming in from Amazon. That's the biggest thing. Amazon have ordered their delivery vans from Rivian. That's the big exciting news with Rivian. Oh, here we go. We've got some our friends from Italy here today. Hi, Martin. Good evening and hello to all traders. There we go. This is Patricia from Italy. Welcome to the party. Lucid is down 4% today, but let's step back and just see where we are. We're up 40% this month. So even though that we're down, we are $2,500 up on this stock. This has made a lot of money. It's worth $7,500 now. Great position. That's great. Robinhood just getting lower and lower and lower and lower. $25 now. How low can this stock go? Down 20%. Rolls-Royce is also down today slightly. Boeing, a bit of a recovery today. We've had all kinds of bad news here, but today it's starting to show a bit of a recovery. Let's see what happens. All that's related, of course, to the COVID variant, which is not good news, but it is what it is. Apple is up 2%, of course. This is a great position for Apple. Apple is not regarded as a growth stock, really. It's got a dividend on it. And the fact it's grown so much in the last few weeks is wonderful, and probably put down to the potential rumour partnership that with Lucid. Google here is down 2% today. We were up and then we fell back down again and falling again. It's been an awful day. Everything is down. This is why I think it's quiet. I think many of the traders are off. I think people are tired. People are done with all of this. So it's been a rough couple of days, to be fair. Sev is down. Immersion, we got in this one, but we're currently up 3% on this one, so that's not too bad at all. Peloton, we bought the dips, but it just kept on dipping. Here he is. Here's Muzanella, and what a hard day it's been today for everyone. Really tough. Very difficult day, I have to say. What can I say about it? The only thing to talk about is, only thing good really, is Ethereum and Bitcoin. I've said this before. Ethereum and Bitcoin are some of my two most secure assets, if I'm totally honest. It performs better than most of my stocks, from my experience so far. Anyway, Tippy ties in, grabs his comfy chair. I got tired of waiting for Hood. Oh, listen to this now. Here we go. Remember, we've got Balasir in the house. So Muzanella in the house. So got to be careful when we talk about this one. I got tired of waiting for Hood and Space and on Robinhood, sold both, bought ALB, LAC, sold some Apple, bought some ISPC, added 2 positions in NAK, NKLA, EVGO. I still have 40 shares of Hood in my Schwab. Wow, what a day. I understand you're just fed up with it. I get it. It's been absolutely crazy all day. I'm right with you. For me, sometimes I just want to just let it go. Just walk away from the market. This is where when people say long-term investing, come back in 5 years, that kind of thing. Not to that extent, of course, but sometimes just got to walk away, because why did you invest in the first place? Ask yourself, why invested in the first place? Rolls-Royce is good. Rolls-Royce is the good. I don't mean the cars. We're talking Rolls-Royce, the engines. If you're over there on TikTok, click the icon here, click the profile right behind the icon, and come and join us here on YouTube. You can talk to my team. I'm literally giving away today cash. I've got $10 of Bitcoin to give away, $10 in cash to give away to people, and I'm also I'll share with you my Discord link as well. All right, we got some people coming back in here, some of our regulars here. Hey, I'm not able to message in your Discord because not connect to server. I'm not able to message in your Discord because not connect to server. I'm not sure what that means. You have to. If you want to talk on my Discord, you have to verify your email and wait for 10 minutes. It's because we get a lot of spam and we want to make sure it's clean and good. So if you are a real person and a friend of the show and you want to take part in Discord and be involved with the traders and talk off when we're off air and during the show as well, you do need to verify your email and just follow all the prompts. Mighty Myers UK is here. Owner Martin, I just have to pay for the mug because of custom charges. Just remember, I have to pay for the mug because of custom charges. What do you mean? Did you have you had a message saying the mug's been sent to you? If so, it's all taken care of. You got to know when to hold them and when to fold. Bill, lovely stuff. I'm up 707 in Shiba, of all things. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Here's a comment here from Balasur. Up 707. Yeah, I mean, it's. You look at it and you think, God, I've done better with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you say you've done even better with Shiba. It is what it is. But you know, investing is for the long term. You can flip trades as we do here all the time, make money all the time, very, very quickly in moments, but at the majority of what we do is long term. Right, if you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button, please. That would be absolutely great if you could do that. We've been a bit quiet this week, I'll be honest. We are just a couple of 100 hours away from that magic 4,000 hours when this channel will be monetized. A big celebration on the show, and of course, YouTube then will start suggesting the video more because they make money from the videos, which is wonderful stuff to see. So, yeah, it's all very, very good. But do click like and share the video as well to your friends. Okay, let's go down and look at it. Let's see if we've made any positions change. Any positions have changed here recently. All right, up in the last hour. We were over 54,000, nearly 55, but we're down again, 53,935, down 1.52 today. PayPal has continued to fall, but rallied a little bit in the recent hours. Tesla's just trading sideways now. Had a good day though. Rivian is down slightly at 1.42. And SPCE. Now, let's talk about it. I prepared something here for you. SPCE just starting to move up a little bit. Let's get above this 16, 17 at least. Right, Virgin Galactic versus SpaceX versus Blue Origin. What are the differences? Right, well, the thing is, if you are a tourist and you want to go into space, you want to pay as little as possible. And I would imagine the majority of people would like to go up into space, feel weightlessness, see the earth, be in the blackness, look back at the earth, and that's okay. I think that would suffice most people. I absolutely think that would be enough. Well, SpaceX is never going to deliver that. Blue Origin is not going to deliver that. Those services on the rockets are far, far more expensive. Far more expensive. Virgin Galactic is a plane. Well, it's much more than a plane, of course. Spaceship, but it's much more efficient and to be able to be reusable, and the cost and so on. To go on a Blue Origin or a SpaceX, it's millions of dollars, whereas it's 450,000, which most millionaires, if they wanted a really, really good experience, would afford. And the fact is, they've already sold hundreds of these seats. We're just getting it ready. It takes time to get this technology right. So we were on course, and it was really starting to happen this year. But of course, now it's been put back to next year. So you've got a choice. Do you think your money would serve you better taken out? But right now, I'm down $3,000. If I take out that money, now you could argue, I'm down, but you're not down until you walk away. I'm still investing, right? I could take my money out on SPCE. This is a little suggestion, a thing that I could do. I am down about $3,000. It shows only $991, but I repositioned, right? I'm down about $3,000. Let's welcome in Dr. Nathan Smith. Lovely to have you here. Let me get your name on the screen. Thank you ever so much for being here, sir. And Stefan Fire is here as well. Stefan Fire was messaging me earlier on Instagram. Welcome to you. There you go. I could walk away, sell all my shares, 554 shares at $8,700. Right, $3,000 light. What I could then do is take that $8,000 and put $8,000 into, say, what should we say? Shall we say Tesla? All right. And then let's say, yes, music is later. Yes, the music is later, Stefan. You're watching the Day Trader show now. The music show is in 1 hour and 10 minutes on the other channel. All right. Okay. So what we could do here is I could make some money on Tesla, put $8,000, maybe make $500-$600, maybe over a few days, maybe, and then sell all those shares and then put them back into Virgin. The only thing you risk, of course, is if while you're away it rises up 17, 18, 19 and you miss all of that, and then you would be feeling like I've lost $3,000 and now I've lost the opportunity to grow those $3 worth of growth, something like that. Let's say it went to 16 to 19, something like that, and that could happen. So at the end of the day, you've made your investments, you've made your decisions. I'm in Virgin Galactic. I like it. Let's just leave it. Let's just relax on it a little bit. And with the money I made, I'll just buy a few. And like I've been doing the last few days, getting a few free shares, doing that. But I think to go back to sell it all out now, walk away. You could all of a sudden get some news and really feel bad about that. And at the end of the day, I've got money in Rivian. I've got money in Tesla. I've got money in Lucid. So I'm making money there anyway. Okay, thank you so much. I really enjoy watching the music. Stefan, you're very, very welcome. 1 hour and 10 minutes from now, I'll be live. We hopefully will have a few birthdays in tonight. Got a number of birthday parties, people that I've been talking to today. It's their birthday, and I'm hoping they'll join us tonight for a bit of a celebration. So we could be having a bit of a party tonight. We shall see how we go. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Queen of Self-Braiding. And again, I know I haven't replied to your text right now. I'm just getting inundated with messages, and I can't always reply to everyone. I do my best to reply to everyone. That's what the Discord group is for. Our friend who said they couldn't use the Discord group, just make sure that you're fully verified. So for those of you that are interested, that want to be part of the Discord group, and then you can chat and discuss things off air. Here it is in the chat. Let me give it to you right now. There we go. And this is the Discord group. There we go. This is the Discord group. We now have 23 members. 23 members, and absolutely great. Look at that. Lovely to have you all here. And that's the Discord group. All right. If you want to be part of that, you can be. You just have to verify your email and do all the good stuff. Right. Balasser said, I have a limit order to sell 5 shares of Apple at 165. If that goes through, I'm adding that profit to my position in BE. What's BE? What does BE stand for? And also as well, I know we've got Stefan Fye, and we've got a few other friends here. I've got a few extra things to offer you. Here is, if you want a free stock, this is the Robinhood stock. This is only for the US, for those people. And eToro, what I do is I get a little commission from eToro. So what I do is I actually share it back with you. I actually give you $10 in cash if you set up the eToro and fund it. Coinbase, I set up Coinbase. Here is my Coinbase position today. As you can see, Shiba Inu starting to just rise up a little bit again now. That's good to see. All right. If you set up a Coinbase account with this referral, we both get $10 of Bloom Energy. Thank you very much indeed, Balasser. We both get $10 of Bitcoin. And last but not least, you can set up all these brokerages. All these brokerages will give you benefits that I will give you as well on top of that. So there you go. All right. Bloom Energy. Wonderful. Right, let's have a look now. PayPal is starting to recover today. Has it hit a bottom? No one knows. Is it a good investment right now? I mean, according to the analysts, if we look at it, the analysts are 82.6% giving it a good buy. 82.6% giving it a good buy. So there you go. But remember, some of these analyst reports can be a little bit out of date. On Robinhood particularly, I know that. Of course, things change. Tesla's now rising up 0.31 today. Rivian it has been trying to push up past 120. It's done it a couple of times and then dropped back. But I do feel now that I think we do have, look at it, I do feel now we have some kind of level, some kind of resistance. Remember, in 10 years' time from now, 120, 117 will seem like nothing. But right now, it's overpriced. Paul Smalden is here. How are you, Paul? Lovely to have you here. We've been talking about the down day today. It's a day for repositioning. We've just been talking to Balasser about that. But it's one of those days when you just have to take what you've got and you either sell at a loss, but you don't lose money until you walk away, right? Reposition. But I've been saying I've not been doing that today because I'm very happy where my investments are. I know I'm down right now. Bearing in mind I'm still up from $5,000, but these stocks are all stocks that are good and are going to grow and do well in the future. I'm down slightly. Well, congratulations, Paul. Did you say you set up? Was it eTORO? You set up with my referral. Is that right? I think I got notified about it, but I haven't had any referral bonus, so I can't give you the $10 yet. I don't know. It did say that people that click on your referral need to be in the regulations and so on and so forth. I don't know if the UK isn't in the same I've no idea, but I just want you to know that I haven't had the any bonus come through yet. I just want you to sort of see that so you know. Yeah, it doesn't. There's nothing come through, so I got nothing to give you yet. I don't know why that is. Whether you've not funded it, but I think you have. You said to me today you have. I don't know what the reason is there, but as of yet, there's nothing come through, so I can't share it with you. It might take a little bit of time. I don't know. I've not had a referral paid out yet from eToro, so I don't know the timeline. But I did see it. 2 people yesterday did it. Our friend from, I think, Nigeria did it as well yesterday. I didn't even know that eToro was available in Nigeria. Sorry, Martin, lost you for a minute. No worries. No worries at all. PayPal is just trying to rise up. Tesla is up 0.5, getting a bit of a push now in the last 4 minutes. Look, we've got 4 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's get ready for the bell. Let's find out who won the day as well. I know who it won't be, and that's me. It won't be me. I haven't repositioned. Oh, Tesla's starting to move. Let's have a look at that. Rivian as well. Let's have a look. Rivian's pushing up, trying to break the 120 again. Oh, there we go. Go on, 120. Looks like we're getting a bit of interest in the market across all the stocks. Look, Virgin Galactic is lifting up from above 16 for the first time. Gores Guggenheim down today. LAC, the Thacker Pass lithium mine, is a proposed lithium clay mining development project in Humboldt County, Nevada. In 2017 was the most significant lithium day resource discovered in the US. Here's a bit of information for you. Let me share that with everybody. Let me post that. There you go. There you go. Thank you very much for sharing that information with us. That's wonderful. Dr. Nathan Smith is up 0.24. Let me have a look. Where am I? Yeah, I'm down 1.29. So the winner so far is Dr. Nathan Smith, is up 0.24. And then let's go over to anyone beat that. We have Bill, who's up 2.5. Hey, that's a good score, Bill. Could be you today who wins the prize. We've got just 2 minutes to go for the bell goes. Let's see what happens right now. 2 minutes to go. We're getting a little bit of action in these last dying minutes. Look, Tesla is pumping up. Does anybody beat 2.5 on your main brokerage on the day? Rivian, look, is trying to make 120. It's trying to. SPCE is trying to rise. We're getting a few things now trying to rise. What happened to Ethereum? That's sideways now. Bitcoin is just dropping back a little bit. Palantir as well. That's one of our new stocks. That's trading sideways now, but down 24% today. I'm currently down 13 because I bought the dip. Immersion is, I'm up 3% on this one. Sono is, I'm down 12%. Google, I'm down as well. A lot of these stocks are new investments. Will take a little while. Let's see how well. Oh, Apple is pumping. Look at that. I wonder if there's any reason for this. What the reason is? Let's have a look. Any correlation? No correlation between Lucid and Apple. But Apple is having a very, very good couple of weeks. Really, really great. Past week's up 3%. Really, really good. Really, really good. All right, the bell's going to go. Let's see what happens now. If you've just joined us, subscribe and ring the bell. That's absolutely great. And give us a thumbs up. I'm up 44 cents. Is that 0.44 cents? 0.44%. Oh, I think that's... Bill, 11.82% over 24 hours. Wow. Anyway, the bell is going now. Here we go. Here's the bell. Okay. And let's have a look what happens now. So Bill, congratulations, Bill. It looks like Bill wins the evening. Thank you very much for sharing with us your honest position. Thank you very much indeed. And we're going to give you a big thumbs up for that. And of course, you've got to have the round of, everyone give him a round of applause. Absolutely great. Congratulations, Bill. Really good. Fantastic result. Well done to you indeed. Very, very well done. Let's have a look now. Today we're going to cut the show a little bit short because I'm not feeling too well right now. I'm not feeling that well today. I'm feeling a bit off. So I've got the show at 4 o'clock today, the music show, and I'm going to take a break. I've been in the studio all day researching and preparing and doing the different things, but I'm not feeling too good right now. I feel a bit dizzy. So I'm going to end the show in a moment. Let's just see if anything happens right now. It's a shame as well because the shows haven't been that long and they've been a bit quieter this week. And last week we were going to hit the 4,000 hours and then it fell off because of Thanksgiving, and now this week's quiet, the markets are down and I'm not feeling too well, so it would be incredible if we ended up going another week, wouldn't it? Michael Williams just came into the Discord. Hello Michael Williams, how are you? He's feeling better today. Yeah, maybe I've got what you had. All right, PayPal, look, in the after hours, definitely get some rest. Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Smith. I will. There we go. I've got my very own doctor here in the house giving me some advice there. Go and get some rest. Yeah, it's I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, if I'm honest. But yeah, I feel a bit sort of, I don't know, bit dizzy. PayPal is just picking up now in the after hours. And I ended up down 1.14. Yeah, it's been an awful day, isn't it? But it's it's one of those days you just have to let it go. Let it go. Just leave it alone. Rivian is trying to pop up. SPC trading sideways. No volume there at all. Lucid, nothing there now. Robinhood, awful. Poor Musanello. We feel so much love to Musanello. He supports our show and he's bought everyone mugs. And right now, look, it's tough right now, isn't it? We are right down. Robinhood. I never expected this to get this low. It just keeps on going down. But there you go. Boeing today. Let's have a look at it. It had a bit of a recovery, and Apple is doing well. Look at this. We're even up. Oh no, we're not. Oh yes, we are. it wants to make its mind up. We're even up. And then we're not for Apple in the after hours. Look at that, lot of still rising. Look at that, a lot of energy coming to Apple right now. I'll try and find out what that is when I get off air. SEV trading sideways and Immersion moving up slightly, and Palatine just starting to lift up a little bit. Musanella, we feel your pain, brother. Yes, indeed, we know what it's like. It's a tough time right now if you are in contracts and you've got a lot of money invested in a stock like that, which just keeps on falling. There we go. So today was the Shiba Inu story, and it was a kind of non-event, really. If I'm honest, we kind of had, when the news came out that it would team up with Kraken, it did boost up, but today it's fallen back. So there you go. It didn't really hold up to the news, but it did rise on the rumor. But once the news came out, it dropped. But there you go. A typical example of buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone gets excited about it, and then it all just falls off again. So there you go. Good lesson to learn there, I think. But anyway, there you go. We're going to end the show there, I think, because I'm not feeling the greatest. I wanted to discuss more about SpaceX, Virgin Galactic. A lot of it is to do with the fact They are three very, very different. At least two are very different than Virgin Galactic. And of course, Virgin Galactic just hasn't any great news yet because they're working on their spaceship. But all of a sudden, they'll come out. I've been watching Twitter today. Virgin Galactic is lining different pilots up, so they're in business. Everything is great. They're going to be bringing out they are going to be flying again. And as soon as they do, it'll lift off. And if you're in this position right now, then you're going to be in a great position, because if you look back on it, these are all the test flight days. All this is the test flight days, and look how low we are now. I mean, it can go as high as 55, 56. I think I said a bit more than that earlier, so I apologize. I said something like 60, 70. I do apologize for that. Wasn't that high, but there you go. Anyway, it's time for me to go. I want to thank everyone for being here today. We still didn't get anyone apart from I think Bill. I want to thank Bill for being a subscriber. Can't believe it. Bill is a subscriber and supporter of my podcast. The podcast come out about half an hour after the show finishes. I finish the show and then I post the podcast of an audio version of this show. And of course, I'll be doing short, bite-sized ones as well. So if you're listening on the podcast now, thank you very much indeed. If you want to join us live in the show, you can. The links are all below in the chat. Here is the podcast. I need 50 people to follow me one way or another, whether it's Apple, whether it's Spotify, whatever it is. Balancer, I thought I did. Yeah, you certainly did, mate. Well, I don't know it was you, but 2 people have, so I'm assuming it was Bill and you. I don't know. Send the link again. There's the link in the chat. There you go. I will follow you on Apple. Great. Yeah, I just posted it on Apple today. I had to jump through a few hoops and stuff. It's not quite right. I might have two versions of the same thing, but I'm tidying it up. But yeah, I really appreciate it. And yeah, there's the link. Let me have a look at it now. Let me see where I am. Let's have a look. I've got 2. I've got the Martyn Lucas show, and I've also got, of course, the Day Trader one. Here we go. Let me just log in a second, and it'll tell me, because I had 2. But hey, it's a brand new podcast. What do I expect? Hang on, clicking all the wrong buttons. There we go. Podcast availability. Yeah, it's not showing us on Apple yet, but I know it is because I've seen it. Where is it? Here it is. Yeah, just the 2. I'll show you. Just the 2. I'm a sad, lonely podcaster with 2 followers. It is on Apple. Great. I just followed. Woo! Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. I don't know if it's got to be, yeah. I don't know how it counts it. I don't know if you need 50 on this app here, but at the end of the day, we'll find out. We'll find out. Thank you ever so much for following me. Maybe it takes a little while to come through. I don't know. Anyway, maybe I got 200. It just hasn't rectified yet. You, Mosenella, I know. Yeah, Mosenella, I know. Tomorrow will be a better day. Yes, tomorrow will be a better day. Thank you, Balasir. Very harsh 2 days. Yes, a lot of love going out to Mosenella. He supported us so much, and I don't like seeing anyone down. It's awful. I'm feeling the pain right now. That's maybe why I'm not feeling very well. I'm trying to keep going, but I am now going to end the show. I just really want it. I really want to hit 4,000 hours today. Sorry, by the end of this week. And it's going to be tight because the numbers have been quieter and the shows have been shorter. So I don't know. It's going to be tight. All right. I just want to say to everybody, thank you very much indeed. I've got the birthday party in 50 minutes from now. If you are looking to join me tonight, I think we are going to have a few birthdays in the house. Looking forward to that. Let me share with you. I know we've got some new people here that want to join in the show. Here is the link in the chat. you can go there live right now and wish our guests a happy birthday, because the chat is open right now. Stefan Fire has already put his name down. There you go. And I think, I'm pretty optimistic, there should be some birthday parties in tonight. All right, so there is the YouTube link for that. All right, guys, thank you very much indeed. Let's hope for tomorrow a much, much, much better day. It couldn't be much worse than today, but of course, you've not lost money. Hi, Theo Dio. Hi, boss. I'm late. Yeah, we're just ending the show. Lovely to have you here. Just smash the like button before we go. Just smash the like button. It's been very, very quiet today. The markets have been awful. Everything's been down. And Theo, I'll just give you this because we've not seen you for a few days. Here is the Discord group that you can join and be part of. And please, I encourage all of you to add things in there that you might want to share with the group. And also like some suggestions as well, what you'd like to see on the show, what you like, what you don't like. I'd love you to tell me. I'm still holding Hood and Space. I have until January. I'm exactly the same as you, Muzanella. I am certainly holding those positions as well. Last day, you gave me some gift from eTORO, but in my country, it didn't support it. Yeah, I'm terribly sorry about that, Theo. I did try to help, but what country are you from again? New to this, but get on. Got some friends over there on TikTok. Let me just come back out of the ending screen a minute, because we've got people trying to come on from TikTok. So let's keep this show going just for another minute. If you're over on TikTok and you want to join us, the main trades are here on YouTube. That's where my team is. That's where everybody is. And that's where we give away free stocks and free cash. Click the icon here and you'll find the YouTube link right behind the icon on TikTok, and you can come in. That's right, East Africa. Theo Dio is from Tanzania. I'm sorry that I couldn't help you with that. But I tell you what I can help you with, because someone set it up this morning. It was, what was it? I gave you, which one did you give? I think I gave you eTORO. Yes, that wouldn't work, would it? But I think this one will. I think this one will. This is Coinbase. This will get you $10 of Bitcoin if you use my referral. Yes, I think that will work, because a friend this morning used it, I think, from Nigeria. That's in Africa. So try that one. See if that works. Anyway, there we go. And I'm going to end it right there. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here. Sorry, Theo, you joined late. I'll see you in 45 minutes live on the music show. We're going to have a birthday party. And here is the link in the live chat right now. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. There's the link, and have a lovely, lovely evening. I hope to see you all in a bit. What do you think of the the new IPO, the NUIPO? Ah, man, join late. Yes, Robert, I'm terribly sorry. I keep trying to go, and then someone comes in, and I try to engage again. But yeah, I'm not feeling very well. I'm feeling a bit off today. I do apologise, and yeah, I'm going to take a break. But I will be back at in 45 minutes for the music show. What do I think of new IPO? I will look at it. When does it IPO? I don't know anything about it. I will research it, look into it. I love IPO days. They're really, really exciting. If it's tomorrow, then I'll find out and we'll look at it. Hey, man, no worries. All right, Robert, lovely to have you here. Thanks, everyone who smashed the like button. I'll see you all back. Better days, y'all. Yep, take care of yourselves. Go ahead and rewind this video. Go ahead. We'll talk in the morning. Yes, Robert, we'll talk in the morning. See you. Oh, December the 9th. Help me out. This week, I want to hit 4,000 hours. Mute the video. Rewind it back. Let it play through. And then I'll get my hours without me having to be here. I'm going to cheat it a little bit. It's not cheating. It counts if you watch it. I'm just tired. I can't do any more. I'll see you back in a little bit. Bye-bye, and take care of yourselves and each other.